Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace clutch lining Mitsubishi Lancer Easy Guide. Start by parking on a level surface and disconnecting the battery to avoid short circuits. Secure the car on jack stands and remove the negative cable, then remove the transmission mounting bolts and shift linkage carefully. Keep fasteners organized and take photos for reference. Safety gloves and eye protection are recommended throughout the job. Before you begin, lay out all tools and parts for a smooth workflow and to avoid trips to the parts store. Use a clutch alignment tool when installing the new lining to center the disc and prevent costly mistakes. Write down torque specs and take photos of linkage positions to match during reassembly. Clean mating surfaces, inspect the flywheel for scoring, and consider resurfacing if necessary for a long-lasting repair. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the channel to support more content and easy repairs. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep lunches tidy during oily projects, and they are a real-time saver between steps. I use them to avoid mess and save time when jobs run long, and you can find a link in the description for deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start by draining any fluids that would obstruct removal and labeling all disconnected cables and hoses. Support the transmission with a jack, remove bell housing bolts, and lower the transmission carefully to expose the clutch assembly. Unbolt the pressure plate in a star pattern to prevent warping and remove the old clutch disc. Clean the flywheel surface, check for heat spots, and replace bearings before installing the new clutch lining and torquing bolts to spec.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.